Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to APSAC's online sport program. I am Miss Mahajbi Ikhlaq from Army Public Junior School, Multan. This is Integrated Social Science subject for Level 2, 4th week assignment. Today's topic is Heroes of Pakistan. Our objective is students will be able to discuss about the contribution of Allama Muhammad Iqbal in the movement of Pakistan. Movement of Pakistan. There are many great leaders who participated in movement of Pakistan. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was the first person to think about the creation of Pakistan and gave the two-nation theory. So, we should respect our leaders and all religions because we were facing difficulty to live a life according to Islam. These are the participants of Movement of Pakistan. They worked day and night to get the freedom. She is Fatima Jinnah. She was also the active participant of Pakistan movement. She worked shoulder to shoulder with her brother Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He was the first person who realized the importance of education at that critical time. Allama Muhammad Iqbal has given two titles, ideological founder and national poet. He is known as ideological founder. He gave the ideology of two-nation theory. He said Hindus and Muslims are two different nations because of their social, religious, and traditional differences. Religion. Muslims believe in one Allah and offer prayers in mosque. Hindus believe in many gods and go to temple for worship. Traditionally, both nations are different from each other. Their festivals, languages, thoughts, customs, and code of lives are different from each other. Socially, their morality, ethics, ways of communication, and dressing are different from each other. In all aspects of life, both nations are different from each other. They cannot live together under one government when one nation is in majority and the other is in minority. Allama Iqbal is known as national poet. He wrote poetry to unite Muslims and provoke them for struggle to get separate homeland. He wrote such verses that provoked the Muslims of subcontinent to think critically about the situation and determine to go ahead according to the will of Allah. He wrote poems for children to teach them ethics in form of poetry. For example, these are the names of poems written by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. This is the time to think critically like the Muslims of subcontinent. This is your first question. Why Allama Iqbal has given the title of national poet? Do you know the answer of that question? Good. Allama Iqbal has given the title of national poet because he united the Muslims through his poetry. This is your question number 2. Why Pakistan came into being? Do you know the reason of that question? Good. Pakistan came into being because of two nation theory. This is your last question. Why Allama Iqbal is known as ideological founder? Think about it. Allama Iqbal is known as ideological founder because he gave the idea of Pakistan. Now this is the time of recap. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is famous for two titles, ideological founder and national poet. He is known as ideological founder because he gave the idea of Pakistan and two nation theory. It is also known as ideology of Pakistan. He is known as national poet because he united Muslims of subcontinent through his poetry. Allama Iqbal's poetry is a source of guidance for all human beings. Now this is the time of written work. Remember the rules before starting written work. Start your answers with capital letter and ends with full stop. Write the words on the lines. Focus the formation of letters. Your question number 1 is write the two nation theory. Do you know what is two nation theory? Good. Question number 2 is who is the national poet of Pakistan? Do you know the name of national poet of Pakistan? Yes. Good. Now there is a video link for you. Follow the link, watch the video carefully about heroes of Pakistan and enhance your knowledge. Thank you for listening.